I had created couple of videos on housing society maintenance calculations and you all loved it a lot. I would like to thank you all for this. Many of you also asked for the receipt of housing society maintenance. First of all, I would like to apologize to all of them who were asking for this video from long time. So let's deep dive in Excel and MS Word and create most awaited format. In this video, we are going to use Excel as well as MS Word. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. This is the format which we had created in our last video of housing society maintenance. We are going to use the same format by adding few things. So let me take all the things in a new file. We'll copy this file, Ctrl+C, we'll open a blank workbook and we'll paste over here. We are going to create the receipts for the month of January. And this is the data which I had taken from my example file. I'll copy this once again, Ctrl+C, we'll right click the mouse, paste special, and we'll paste all the things as values. Now I'll delete this, we'll select the whole file and we'll unmerge all the cells. Now I'll delete all these heads, we'll click just in front of BHK size and we'll insert a column. Insert, we'll insert one more column, insert, this will be BHK area and this will be owner's name. I'll adjust the column size, I'll take some random area over here. Owner's name, I'll take owner's name from my example file, Ctrl+C, we'll go to my blank format and we'll paste over here, paste special, values. We'll take this in left. Now I'll click over here and we'll insert few columns. This will be maintenance charges or maintenance amount, repair fund, sinking fund, miscellaneous. We'll come to right, we'll insert one column over here. This will be arrears amount. Now I'll come to right, we'll click over here and we'll insert one column. This will be total. We'll take this in center. We'll come to extreme right and we'll type amount in rupees. We'll adjust the column size. We'll click over here. We'll go to home. We'll click on format painter and we'll click on amount in rupee. We'll take this in center. We'll select this and we'll create borders. In maintenance charges, I'll just copy this, or I'll do one thing. I'll delete maintenance charges from here, delete, and we'll make this as maintenance charges. I'm just taking random figures. Plus or equal to repair fund plus sinking fund plus miscellaneous plus arrear amount plus maintenance charges, and we'll hit enter. We'll come to right and we'll drag this down. Payable amount, I'll delete this and payable amount will be plus or equal to total plus non-occupancy charges plus annual interest, and we'll hit enter. We are getting some error. I'll put zeros over here. Now I'll drag this down. We'll come to right, amount in rupee. For amount in rupee, we will have to put a code. I'll provide link of the code in description box. In case you want to download, you can. So let's go to our code. This is our code. Now I'll copy this, Ctrl+C. We'll go to developer and from here I'll go to Visual Basic. We'll go on top, insert, and I'll select module and I'll paste the code over here. Ctrl+V or Command+V. Now I'll click on Excel. We'll click over here and we'll insert formula plus or equal to spell, and we got spell number. We will select this, bracket open. We will select the payable amount. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got amount in rupee. I'll drag this down or we'll double click over here. We'll adjust the column size. So here the work of Excel ends. Now we will go to MS Word. So this is the blank MS Word file. I'll go to layout, margins, and I'll select narrow. Here I'll type name of the society. We'll select this, we'll go to home and we'll take all the things in center. We'll make this bold. I'll click over here and we'll hit enter. I'll type registered number and all the details of the society. I'm just taking some random figures. Now I'll type address. I'll take this little bit down. We'll select this and we'll make the font size small. We'll remove bold. We'll press enter. Phone number, email address or email. I'll hit enter. We'll align this in left. We'll go to insert, table, and we will select nearly 5 to 6. In case anything will be less, we can insert it later. In case anything will be more, we can delete it. Here we will type bill for the month of. We'll select this. We'll go to home and we'll take this in center. We'll select the whole table. We'll go in layout and we'll take all the things in mid. We'll increase the column size. We'll make this bigger. Means we will increase the size. Now I'll come down. Let's increase the row sizes a little bit. I'll select this. We'll go to layout and we'll increase the height. We'll do this 6 cm. We'll click over here. Let's take all the things in left, means let's align all the things in left. Flat number will come in the center. Bill date will come to right. This will be due date. We'll adjust the space. Now I'll click over here. This will be name. Will come to right. This will be area, means size of the flat. We'll click over here now. This will be repair fund. Maintenance charges. We need more rows. We'll click over here. We'll go to layout and we will increase few rows. Sinking fund, non-occupancy charges, miscellaneous. We'll leave this blank. We'll come down. This will be total, arrears amount, current interest, 21% per annum on arrears. We'll click over here. We'll right click the mouse and we'll add this to dictionary. We'll insert one more row. This will be grand total payable. Now we will go to layout, draw table, and we'll draw a line over here. We'll draw a line over here also for the amount. Now we will click on eraser and we'll erase this. So we got a gap or space and it's looking better now. We'll click just under grand total payable. This will be amount in rupees. We'll come down, we'll go to insert, table, and we'll select a box. We'll adjust the size. This will be for notes. I'll take this down. You can put any note over here. I'll take the notes from my example file and we'll paste over here. We'll delete this. You can put whatever you want. And in case you want to use my format, you can. Now I'll come down and we'll type society's name. For beta, I'll copy this, Control-C or Command-C, and we'll paste over here. We'll make this bold. We'll adjust the font size. We'll come down. Over here, I'll type chairman / secretary / treasurer. And our blank format is ready now. We are going to connect this format with our Excel file. And we will create all the receipts in bulk, whether you have 50, 100, 1000 or lakhs. I'll select the whole receipt, Control A, we'll go to home and we'll change the font style. Whatever you want to make bold, you can. Over here we will type one thing manually, bill for the month of, and it will be for January 2024. I'll select this and we'll change the color. In case you want to put the color in the receipt, you can. But mostly black and white receipt is used for housing society maintenance. We'll reduce the font size. Now we will go to mailing tab. On the right hand side, all the things are inactive right now. So first of all, we will have to go in start mail merge. We will click on the drop down and we'll click on labels. Label option got opened and we have to select the very first one, 1/2 letter or half letter, and we have to do OK. A dialog box will pop up, mail merge. And over here in the end it's written, any unsaved changes to this document will be lost. So don't cancel this, click on OK. All the things will vanish. Don't worry, just press Ctrl-Z or Command-Z and all the things will be back. Select recipients, I'll close this. Now we have to go on select recipients. Over here we get couple of options like create a new list, use an existing list. We are going to use our existing list and our existing list will be the Excel file which we had created right now. So I'll click over here. We'll go to my folder and this is the spreadsheet book 2 which we had created right now. I'll click on open. We got a pop-up. We will just click on yes because over here it's written choose yes to open this file only if you are sure it is from a trusted source. I'll do yes and I'll do OK. I'll close this. Now we have to go on insert merged field. Earlier it was inactive, now it got active. We'll click on the drop down and over here we have got all the heads. I'll click on my receipt. I'll click just in front of flat number. We'll go to insert merged field and from here I'll click on flat number. We'll close this. Over here we haven't got flat number but it's written flat number. Now we will go on bill date. We'll go to insert merged field, but before that we will take this in little bit left side. Bill date, we'll go to insert merge field and we select bill date from here. I think we will have to take this little bit left side. Due date, we'll go to insert merge field once again and we'll select payment date. This is our due date. We'll take this little bit left. Now we will click on name. We'll go to insert merge field and we'll select owner's name from here. Just one thing to mention, heads can be anywhere in the list, but don't worry, you can select anything from anywhere. I'll click on owner's name. We got area. I'll click over here and we'll take this in left. Area. We'll go to insert merge field and we'll select BHK area. For repair fund, we will have to click over here, insert merge field, and we'll select repair fund. In the same way, we will connect all the things, means all the heads over here. Amount in rupee, you can insert over here, or in case you want to insert it down, you can. I'll hit enter, insert merge field, and we'll select amount in rupees. We'll take this little bit down. Now we will go to insert, and we'll insert page number. In case you want to insert on top, you can. In case you want to insert in bottom, it's totally up to you. We'll click on page number. Over here we get the option of position. Bottom of page, footer. So I'll leave it as footer. Alignment should be left, center, right, inside or outside. I'll select center. Show number on first page. So our bill will be of just one page. So I'll leave it clicked and we'll do OK. So all the things are done now. Just a small command is pending. We will go to mailing tab once again. We will come to right side and over here we get the option of finish and merge. I'll click over here, means I'll click on the drop down. We get two options, edit individual documents or print document. We will click on edit individual documents and boom, all the receipts got created. This is for A101 Albert. When we come down, this is for flat number A102 Alexander. Now I'll save this file as PDF. I'm using MacBook, so I've got the option on top. File, save as, I'll give the name. It will be January receipt 2024. I want to save this in Housing Society folder. We'll click over here and we'll select PDF. I got two options, best for electronic distribution or best for printing. In case you are going to give hard copy, click on best for printing. In case you are going to mail it, click on first option, best for electronic distribution, and click on export. While doing this, ensure you have got active internet. Now let's see how our receipt looks in PDF file. And this is the receipt what we had created right now. I'll open this. This is the first receipt and all the receipts are over here. Total 21 receipts got created in a single click. You can create as many receipts as you want. So our receipt is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.